I'm gonna show you today how I cook this simple and affordable spaghetti. I hope you like it. In 6 cups of water, I put 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, then let it boil. While boiling, I add 150 pasta noodles. I set time for pasta. In 11 minutes of cooking time, this will be a perfectly cooked al dente. While cooking pasta, I'm going to prepare the sauce. I have here condensed milk, black pepper, and pasta sauce. Anyway, you can use any tomato sauce. And not to waste the food, I have here a leftover chicken from my bread with chicken fillings. Then slice onion and chopped garlic. 50 seconds to go. Once pasta is cooked, prepare a colander and wash it in the cold water. Reason why, pasta will not stay hot so it will not be overcooked. Then set aside. Okay, while cooking, magkukwento ako para naman hindi kayo ma-bored. This spaghetti one of my favorite way na tonight school. Nakikita ko napakasimple ng mga ingredients na nilalagay nila pero ang sarap-sarap. Sa tagal kong hindi umuwi, for sure. Mga pamangkin ko, paborito din to. Matapos lang talaga tong COVID na to, uuwi talaga ako. At ipagluluto ko sila ng napakasarap ng spaghetti. This spaghetti I cook is good for 3 persons. 1 for my husband and 2 for me. Here, you can substitute sugar and milk if you don't have condense. This is almost done. I just mix the pasta with the sauce and cook a little bit. Ta-da! This is it! Pasta alla wajiha. Just kidding, it's a simple spaghetti. If you guys enjoy my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you and keep safe everyone.